Hello and welcome to my channel, Oaks and Company. Today I thought we would do something a little bit different and make some Cajun pasta. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my channel. So as you can see, I have my Instapot out and I'm putting some chicken breast in there. And I'm going to add in a cup of water and set it on 20 minutes. And that's just so I don't have to stand at the stove cooking up the chicken breast. So when it gets done, it'll already be done and all I have to do is just chop it up and I can go do something else while that's cooking. So the next thing I'm going to do is get a pot of water boiling for my pasta, and I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil in there so that pasta doesn't stick together. After the water starts boiling, I just use a box of Penne pasta. I like the Barilla brand. It really doesn't matter what brand it is. This is just about $1 a box. So not only is this recipe yummy and delicious, it's very cheap to make, especially for big crowds. So while the pasta is starting to boil, I usually start melting a stick of butter in my pan and get that ready to saute the ingredients for the sauce. With the butter melted, I'm now going to add in my shrimp to get it sauteed. This is just a bag of shrimp that I picked up at Walmart. It's about $5 per bag. Give that a little stir and get it all coated in some yummy butter. As you can see, I got the chicken out of the Instapot, and I'm just cutting it up in bite-sized pieces. I'm going to check on the shrimp and stir it up just a little bit. Make sure it's all sauteed nice. Add that chicken in. Next, I'm going to get ready to chop up my sausage, and I just use kielbasa sausage. I'm adding the sausage in. I'm giving it a real good stir to kind of get all that sauteed butter on it. I use Tony Casher seasoning in this. That's what makes it the Cajun in the Cajun pasta. I just do it kind of heavy here because I'm going to be adding some sauce later, so the seasoning will kind of get lost in the sauce and it'll even out flavor-wise. So it looks like our pasta is just about done. I'll go ahead and just drain that in the sink. And I always put it in a really just pretty serving bowl because I pour my sauce over the top of it. I mean, if you wanted to, you could probably just mix it all together in a pan and then put it in there, but I just like to do it this way. So it looks like the meat is good and sauteed. So I'm getting ready to add some sauce, and I just use Great Value Alfredo sauce. I use 1 big jar and about a half of a smaller jar. I'm just adding a little bit of garlic in there. And I also use black pepper in there too. Like I said, it looks like I'm really seasoning it, and I am, but after you add the sauce, it just kind of gets lost in the sauce, so the flavor just all evens out. I'm going to stir that sauce up in there and get it all coated on the meat. Get all the butter and sauteed yumminess stirred in. Like I said, I use a smaller jar of Alfredo also. I think these jars of Alfredo are about $2 a piece. I think I poured in about a half of that jar. I'm going to add just a little bit more Tony Cashers to give it just a little bit more zing. And then I'm going to add in quite a bit of Parmesan cheese. It's kind of just a taste, just kind of put it in, stir it up, see if you like how it tastes, and then add more if you want. Here I'm just going to pour all that sauce over my pasta. I kind of just flip the pasta around a little bit, let that sauce kind of sink down to the bottom of the bowl. I'm going to take what was left in my Parmesan cheese packet and sprinkle it across the top. While that's kind of sitting there resting and cooling just a little bit, I'm going to add some garlic toast into the oven to serve with it. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button and share my videos. I really appreciate y'all supporting my channel. And there it is, and all its yummy, yummy goodness. It's cheesy and creamy and a little spicy.